Today, I'm going to share with you one simple trick that could literally add years back to your life. And it's something that you can start right now. If you've been craving a friendly, more satisfying way to reclaim your peace as well as your health, this video is for you. Together, we'll explore the powerful practice of meditation, why it works, and how to make it part of your everyday life. So stick around because this is more than just a tip. It's your next step toward designing a life that you'll love.
Hi friends, and welcome back to the Life Work Balance channel. I don't know about you, but I'm a little weary today after a full productive day at work, or for yourself maybe it was taking time with the kids, right? Their energy sometimes gets zapped, and so I wanted to talk to you today, or reiterate really, that there are three buckets that we need to kind of design for ourselves as we're building a flexible schedule that works for us. So that just as a reminder, that was step number 5. And so, we want to be able to dive into how we can create this flexible schedule, make the most of our time, right? While still feeling balanced and refreshed. So I want to get to the refreshing part. So the first step again is to build those buckets, right? So that's your morning, your afternoon, your evening. And really design those around your energy levels. So for me, I'm high energy first things in the morning. And so therefore, that is when I do my deep work or concentrate on a task more readily first thing in the morning. My afternoon, I've been setting intentions around adding in meditation so that my afternoons are more productive, whether it be work or whether it's another task that I would like to do in the afternoon, maybe on the weekends or when I'm off. And then, of course, for the evenings, for me, again, setting that intention of unwinding. For you that may still have family in the house, I'm an empty nester at this point, but for those who have families, building an intentional family time, but also you time, right? And if you're a couple, then having that couple time, setting those intentions. So build your buckets for your day. And then the next step is you're going to add something that fuels you, right? So let's talk about adding that. Maybe, like as I said, in my afternoon bucket, I've started meditation. Just 10 minutes of mindfulness helps me reset mentally, but also recharges me physically for the rest of the day. Some of the benefits of meditation are more than just the relaxation component of it. It really truly is a powerhouse of both mental and physical health and wellness. It reduces my stress levels, it boosts my focus, lowers blood pressure, as well as improves my mood. So it gives me that midday reset that I didn't know that I needed, right? And so I've been glad that I've been trying to set that intention so that as I said, it has increased my productivity, but it is also, as I said, reduced blood pressure, etc. The physical components have been very noticeable for me. I'm going to reintroduce this pro tip of using time blocking, okay? So when you are building a schedule, a flexible schedule that works for you, it's like giving every hour a job. So we have 24 hours in the day, and most certainly some of those hours should be inclusive of sleep. So make sure you include sleep in the things that you decide to do. But seriously, blocking off time, giving each hour of the day an assignment or a job is huge. So for me, I might block out the 2:30 window for a quick meditation session, or 10 a.m. for focused work. Time blocking keeps you on track while giving you the flexibility to adjust when life happens. And our final thought for today is your balanced life starts right here, right? It's now your turn. If you have not built your buckets, your morning, your afternoon, and your evening buckets, that's something I would have you take time to do. I would add something like that meditation to fuel your mind and your body. And don't forget to use time blocking to make it all flow. A flexible schedule doesn't just help you get more done, it helps you feel good while you're doing it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you to the many subscribers who have joined us recently. So excited to have you on board. And let me know in the comments if you're adding or what you're adding to your buckets. Until next time, keep designing your balanced life.